zun ni som pariat ania tun thla ni som ni pasaria lai autonomous district council nuaya village council in thlanpui nei tur le longtlai chan mari bial mdc by election nei tura chu tungte tana mingpek lu hun chu voin chanu dar thum khan atopa mingpek lu te hi naktuk chanu dar thum atangin endik aniang ldc nuaya village council somko papo omin general seat zali somko paruk le mei chetana seat hau somko pako nen vc member zanga somko panga thlanchua tur ni in chu tumte hian returning officer hna an hming an peluta riat thei china vc tamjok chu kilthum atangin congress mnf le zpm ten an chu dona independent a chu an nualin arin ombok assembly in thlanhnung bera longtlai chan mari bial tu mdc Dr. Lorraine Lalpek lian a chin za chu longtlai east bial atangin mla a thlantlin ania chan mari bial a chua san wanga he biala mdc by election nei tura party pathum bjp mnf le zpm candidate ten voin khan returning officer longtlai dc pu chimala siva gopal reddy hna ming an peluta hebial chu tur hian bjp atangin pukelal ompuya chuan hming a peluta mnf atangin pusi lal som jola chuan hming pelutin congress chuan candidate transiam lovin mnf nen an thok ho dona zpm atangin chan mari mdc bial chu tur hian puf rang tu khoman hming a pelut bok vc in thlanna vote la te hi in thlanni zun ni somni pasaria vote thlak zo a chiar ngal ani dona ballot paper man aniang longtlai chan mari bial mdc by election a hian evm man ani dona vote hi july ni khata chiar ani thungang